Wonka bar?
I guess so.
Okay. Very much. Here, let me help you with this.
I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket.
You don't seem very excited.
I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. Golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. I got a golden
Next day. This is the next day.
Hey, Mr. Wonka, here's my ticket.
Oh, you're gonna come take a tour of my Wonka building. Okay, follow me. Come here, sit along
Put up
here.
the chocolate tube. Just suck her up.
Oh my god.
Come on, eat some. Eat!
Hey, don't yell at her like that. Oh, God. Look what you did. You put it on the edge?
Got
Got
another puzzle for you.
Campbell cleaned it up.
This is really good.
Don't step on it. Mmm.
Okay, next station. We'll eat that later.
That's my
Next
favorite
station.
station.
What is that?
My favorite station.
Look, let her see. It's
I tested it.
Some of those star crackers.
Mmm. Karen threw up yesterday, right, Karen? That's
Yep.
good, honey. That's really what we
2 days ago.
Maybe 2 days from now.
Next station and the final station. Come
Ew.
over here. It was an R. You know, someone kind of ate half of it.
What was it?
I didn't eat any of that.
It was an R in the Pop Tart.
Oh, the chocolate you mean?
And the Pop Tart
We always emphasize nutrition here in our family.
is. Here you go.
What'd you do? Oh, who did that to you? Karen, you smashed your face, you brat. It's not funny. You clean it up. You did it. Don't smash her face. You kids would torture a little child like that.
Stop spitting it out! Everything's perfect! Eat it! Eat it!
You heard
Eat
got
it!
them.
Stop spitting it! Eat it!
Give me kiss.
She keeps spitting it out! Okay, that's enough. The end.
Good
Oh,
job.
that's a very good Wonka.
Thank you.
Factory.